This parrot is an Amazon parrot, and she is she's 30 years old actually, and she's also a famous bird who's been on the Tonight Show. She met Jay Leno. Corbell is her name, and she likes to laugh a lot. Do you want to hear her laugh? All right, everybody laugh. Go ha 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 ha. Oh, you're a funny parrot. Yes, you are. Oh, good girl. All right, this is Corbell, and Corbell is a yellow-naped Amazon. She likes to say her name, and she does some animal and human sounds. So why don't you begin by saying your name? Very good. And Corbell, let's hear some animal sounds, like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good one. How about a cat? Oh, a dog. And a coyote. Sounds pretty good, huh? Remember, these are real birds, not like those angry birds, right? Corbell does human sounds like this. And how about a sore throat? That could be a sore throat, right, Ethan? Yeah. We're just kidding, of course. She even sings opera, so can you sing? Good job! Let's give her a hand for that singing! Now that Ethan's not a baby anymore, he doesn't cry, huh? Are you a baby, Corbell? Aw, see? Babies cry like that, right? But how about big kids? Do big kids cry sometimes? Oh, like that.
That sounds like Sam.
Poor bird.